Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use the Jamboard, a whiteboard app by Google. So this is the app with J as its icon. So first it will ask you to choose an account through which you will be using Jamboard so that it can store all your whiteboards in Drive, so you can access it wherever you want by just adding your Google account. Here it is saying you don't have any jams or any whiteboards created yet. Tap plus sign which is there to create one. So now I have tapped on the plus sign and it is creating a new Jamboard, and this is the whiteboard. Now let us explore the UI. So these are the three dots. There are many more options like make a copy, rename, delete, add people, share as PDF, etc. So you will see first how to rename the board which we are going to use. We will click on rename, delete the old name and type the new name. For example, I am typing my name. Now then press on rename button. Then your jam is renamed. Now let us see what are the other things here. So this, where you can see the red mark, is the pen through which we will write on the Jamboard. Now it is in the pen mode and the color selected is black. So if we will write on the board, it will be in black color. We can select many colors like blue and yellow, etc. We can select the types of pens to like paintbrush and marker, highlighter. These are the types of pens. To get more space in Jamboard, you can tilt your phone to landscape mode. Then we will see the next option, which is rubber or eraser, which can be used to, as usual, erase the things on the Jamboard. And if we want to fully erase, we can double tap and it will show a pop out clear frame, and when we press on clear, it will clear the whole frame. Then let me write something on the board to show the next option, and the next option is the select tool. It is used to select any area by dragging over it, and by pressing the three dots over the selected area and then pressing delete button, we can remove the selected area or clear the selected area. Again, let us write something like sine theta, and the fourth option is pointer. So if we just run this around the area we want to highlight, it will animate the whole area and the whole area will be highlighted. The plus option is used to add a sticky note or images on which you can write, and images can be added through Drive, Camera or Image Library. When you will tap on Image Library, it will ask you to allow the storage access. Next two options are undo and redo, which are at right bottom. Use it to undo and redo your actions. And at the top middle, you can see that there is written 1 of 1, that are the number of slides present in our jam that we have created. By tapping on plus sign, we can add more slides, and by tapping on the three dots over the selected slide, we can delete or duplicate, change the background of the slide. So I'm deleting the slides. If again we will press the three dots, we can change the background to a green board. First we will see a green board. So it is a green board. We can write on it through visible colors like red or white. Now if graph board is required for maths and physics, so we can use the graph background, and the basic board is the whiteboard, which we will use the maximum times. Now if we immediately want to add any slide next to this slide, we can press the right arrow, add the second slide or the next slide there, and it will show two. You can delete this slide or add more slides between them. The main purpose of adding some slides to next is to retain what we have written. Like in the previous slide, I have written XYZ, and in the next I have written ABC. So you can see the both writings are retained and it will be saved automatically in Drive. But using this app requires active internet connection and active internet connection. So thank you this much for this video. To learn more advanced in Jamboard, be sure you watch my next video. Till then, goodbye.